Welcome students, myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we also learn about the chapter number 11. Okay, so from the previous thing we are learning about the chapter number 11 construction. Okay, we are learning chapter number 11 construction. Okay, from the previous session, okay, we already learned exercise 11.1 question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I already learned these three questions from the exercise 11.1 in the previous session. Okay, I already learned. Now in this session we are moving on the question number 4 and 5 of the exercise 11.1. Okay, so let's start without wasting a time. So question number 4, that is construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by protractor. Okay, so first question is 75 degree, second one is 105 degree, and third one this has 135 degree. Okay, so first of all 75 degree, for the 75 degree we need 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, students, now for the 75 degree we need 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so first of all we have to need construct 60 degree, and after we have to construct 90 degree and bisect both of the angle. Okay, bisect from the both of the angle, so we got 75 degree. Okay, because of the 60 plus 90, that is 150, and 150 by 2, that is 75. Okay, so therefore we have to bisect 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so we got 75 degree. For the 105 degree for the 105 degree we need 90 degree and 120 degree. So for the 90 and 120 we are adding 90 plus 120, that is 110 or 210 degree. 210 divided by 2, that is 105 degree. After we have to bisect 90 and 120, so we got 105 degree. Clear? Now and for the 135 degree, for the 135 degree we have to move after that 75 and 105. First of all see these two question. Okay, first of all we have to do this question too. So for the first one, take any measurement of radius. First of all make a ray. After take any measurement of radius from the rounder. Okay, and make semicircle. Okay, now do not change any kind of the measurement from the rounder. Take intersection point as a center and make an arc of the same measurement. So you got 60 degree, and after make an arc after the 60 degree. From the 60 degree make another arc so you got 120 degree. Okay, now I got 60 degree. Now I have to find 90 degree. So for the 90 degree, bisect 20 and 60 degree. Okay, more than half, take an arc from this point 120, take another arc. So you got 90 degree. Okay, now from the 60 and from the 90, take bisect 60 from 90. Okay, between 60 and 90 we have to draw from the 60 and 90. Okay, so take more than half measurement, make an arc, make an arc. Okay, now both of the arc are joined at the point, intersection point. Intersection point of the both of the arc join with the ray. Okay, clear? So your 75 degree is created. Okay, constructed. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the 105 degree. For the 105 degree, we have see that I need 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. After that, bisect 120 and 90, you got 105. Okay, first of all, draw a ray. Okay, now construct a semicircle. Take same measurement of radius and make a 60 degree arc, and after that make a 120 degree arc. Okay, now from the 60 and from the 120 make an arc to form 90 degree. Okay, so this is my 90 degree. Okay, now from the 90 and 120, bisect 90 and 120. So I'll go okay, so I got a 105 degree. Okay, so this is my 105 degree. So your 105 degree are constructed. Clear? Now we are moving for the question number 3, that is a 135 degree. Okay, okay, now I want 135 degree. So for the 135 degree, first of all I have to 150 degree and 120 degree. Okay, for the 120 and 150 and 120, bisect them to get 135 degree. Okay, because of the 150 plus 120, that is 270, and 270 by 2, 270 divided by 2, that is 135. So bisect 150 degree and 120 degree. Okay, construct between 150 and 120 degree and bisect them. So bisect that angle, so you got 135 degree. Okay, for the now for the 150 degree, construct angle from 120 and 180, bisect 120 and 180, so you got 150 degree. Okay, because 120 and 180, there is a approx 300, and 300 by 2, that is 150. Okay, so from the 120 and this is my 180, from this is 0, and from this is my 180. So bisect 120 and 180. Okay, bisect from 120 and 180. Here you got the ray as like this is got 150 degree. Okay, so let's start to first of all to draw 60 after 120 and after 150. So first of all, draw a ray. Take any measurement of radius from the rounder. Okay, okay, clear. Now take same radius from this intersection point and make an arc, that is your 60 degree. After from the 60, make an arc, that is your 120 degree, and after 120 you can see that the end point. Okay, you can see that this end point are the 180 degree. Okay, see that. Okay, clear. So this is your 180 degree. As we know that the straight line form a 180 degree. Okay, from the lines and angles. So now from the 120 and from the 180, bisect them to got first of all 150 degree. Okay, so take more than half. Okay, take more than half measurement, make an arc. Clear. Now join them. So this is your 150 degree first of all. Now this is your 150 degree and this is your 120 degree. From 120 and from 120 bisect this angle. Okay, so you got 135 degree. Construct them from the 120 and 150 degree. Okay, so from the 120 take more than half of the distance between them. Okay, so now make an arc from 120 and make an also arc from 150. Okay, clear. Now join them. So this is your 135 degree. Clear that? So this is your 135 degree constructed. Clear? Now we are moving on to question number 5. Okay. For the question number 5, that is a construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify. Okay, and justify. Here he said that construct an equilateral triangle given its side. Okay, so your equilateral triangle are given. In the given, we are taking equilateral triangle with side is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, with each side is equal to 7 centimeter. That means ABC, we are drawing ABC equilateral triangle with the all side are equal and each of the side is a 7 centimeter. Okay, you can take it as a 6 centimeter also, you can take 4 centimeter also, you can take also 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 10 centimeter, you can also take 10 centimeter also. Okay, then it's your choice to take any kind of the measurement of the equilateral triangle. Okay, just keep in mind that you have to take any kind of the measurement here, so all of these sides have same measurement. Okay, all of these sides have same measurement. Take same measurement of from the all of the side. Okay, so now here is the triangle ABC. So first of all, construct a 7 centimeter. Okay, construct 7 centimeter as a base of the triangle with given centimeter. Okay, here my 7 centimeter B and C. Okay, B and C are 7 centimeter are constructed. Now from the B and C, take same measurement 7 centimeter. Okay, take same measurement 7 centimeter. Okay, take same measurement 7 centimeter. Okay, first take a C as a center and make an arc of the 7 centimeter opposite to the side. Now take B as a center with the same measurement 7 centimeter and joined with the first arc. Now join point of intersection of both of the arc with the B and C So your triangle will be constructed. Okay, here my triangle ABC with the all side as a 7 centimeter are constructed. Okay, this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter, and this is also 7 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving for the exercise 11.2. In the exercise 11.2, we have to construct a triangle. So as per the previous session, I'll already give you the basic concept of the triangle, that are we have to draw three types of the triangle. Okay, we have to draw three types of triangle. So how many three types of triangle? Which one of them? There are first of one of them is, that is addition of two sides with one angle is given. Okay, in the first type 1 question, that is addition of two sides with the one angle is given. Okay, two sides, addition of two sides and one angle is given in the type 1. In type 2, there is the subtraction of two sides is given, subtraction of two sides with one angle is given. Okay, and in the type 3, that is addition of three sides, addition of all three sides and with two angles are given. Okay, clear that? So first of all we have to learn about the type 1, that is if there is a addition of two sides with one angle is given, so how to construct them. Okay, so here we have to take first question, that is construct triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle B equal to 75 degree, and AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. Here the sum of the two sides is 13 centimeter is given, and one of the angle, that is 75 degree given. Okay, so for the construction I'll first of all give you the orally understanding about how to construct. Okay, after we have to draw properly. We are moving on first of all rough sketch. So for the rough sketch, here BC, one of the side is given as a 7 centimeter, so take the BC as a base of the triangle. Okay, this is BC and this is 7 centimeter. After that, here 75 degree angle B is given, so take semicircle, make an 60, make an 120, make an 90 degree. Okay, and after bisect 90 and 60, you got 75 degree. Okay, so this is your 75 degree angle B. Clear? Now AB plus AC is 13 centimeter is given, so construct 13 centimeter, construct this line as a 13 centimeter. Okay, and make an point at the 13 centimeter as a X. After that, joint X with the C. after X is joined with the C. Okay, join this point X with the point C. Now draw perpendicular bisector of the XC. For the perpendicular bisector of XC, take C as a center and make an arc at here and at here. Okay, any place. And from the point X, take an arc at here and here. So from the both of the arc are intersect each other, and draw the one of the line that are passes through the that arc. Okay, intersection of the point of the arc. Okay, so this is your perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector are meet BX line at the one of the point. Okay, one of the point, and name that point as a and after that joint A with the C. So your triangle ABC with the given measurement are constructed. Okay, your triangle ABC with the given measurement are constructed. Clear? So let's start to construct. So first of all, draw the BC as a 7 centimeter line. Okay, so this is your B and this is your C. Construct 75 degree from the B. So for the 75 degree from the B, make first of all semicircle, make 60 degree, after 120, after from the 60 and from the 120 make a 90 degree, now from the 90 and 60 degree make 75 degree, from the 75 degree make 13 centimeter, okay. So my 13 centimeter are constructed at the point here. Okay, so this point is my point X and this is my 13 centimeter. So now join B with this X, join X with the C. Okay, join X with the C. Now construct perpendicular bisector of the XC. So take more than half measurement of the line segment and make an arc at the both side, and same take same measurement and as a center X make an arc at the both side. Okay, now both of the arc, from the both of the arc construct a line segment that are joined. Okay, construct the line Theta passes through the both of the intersection of point of the arc. Now both of the arc, now this line segment, this perpendicular line segment are intersect with the BX at the point, at this point. So your point A, this is your point A, and now join this point with the C. So your triangle ABC are constructed. So your triangle ABC are constructed. Clear? For the justification, measure the line segment of AB, measure AB, measure AB and AC line segment, and after add both of the line segment measurement. So if both of the measurement add from the adding the both of the measurement, your answer will be 13.1 or 12.9 or 13.0, then your answer will be corrected for the construction. Okay, all of these answer are corrected for the construction. Okay, so I hope you have to enjoy this class. Okay, so if you have any doubts, students, please notify me. From the next lecture we are seeing that subtraction of two sides with the one angle and addition of the three sides. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.